Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to change value on graph chart in Excel. Then click the chart and click value. And click value and select. You type custom value. Then I example select 2000 and select chart shape. Select chart shape, then change value. Drag this. Okay, then enter, or right click mouse, change or select data, or send chart type. Select data. I select data. Edit this, edit this, edit this. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.